Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads, and we're headed to the Superstition Mountains outside of Globe, Arizona. See what we can find today in the EarthCruiser. We head east on Highway 60 out of Phoenix, past Green Valley and Apache Junction, and take a left on Queen Valley Road. Then we take a right on Hewitt Station Road, where we start the dirt. A staging area to the right for ATV and side-by-sides, and a horse loading and unloading area where we stop to have lunch. We're at the Hewitt Station off of Queen Valley Road at the start of the Montana Mountain Loop. So we're going to go up to the top and see what it looks like. Here's the trail system right here. Just stop for a little bite to eat, and then we're going to go explore up the road. Easy boy. Like, okay, what's going on?
Who is on me?
What's going on here?
You're on my head.
I need a bumper mount. I need a bumper mount.
Okay. You're getting a little crazy.
Still here, Mom. Still here.
Are you being silly? Huh? Are you being silly? Are you being silly?
Right or left?
Left? Is there a choice?
No, we can make that.
No, I don't want to make that. Oh my gosh. Riley's like, what the heck? Oh, well, the door's actually open.
All right, we're at the top Montana Mountain Loop, the end of Road 172, Forest Service Road 172. Those are the Superstitious Mountains. Hopefully you can hear me. There's the EarthCruiser. And there's Mama playing, Mrs. Whiskey playing with the dogs. Trying to get a video of them catching a frisbee in the air. About right here.
Okay, don't grab it. Oh, that's too high.
No, sit. Sit. Here we go. Okay, go.
See?
Okay, here we go. I thought the wind was going to bring it
back.
Here we go. This is Riley. He's our black tri. This is Rusty. He's our red tri. And Riley just missed the frisbee. He's into frisbees. And Rusty's into sniffing bushes. Hey Riley, say hi to everybody on YouTube. Say hi to everybody on YouTube, huh? Rusty, Rusty, Rusty. Hey, you say hi to everybody? Rough spot. Thought we had a pretty good line though.
Yeah, that's a big dip. Someone went through it. Okay, hang on, hang on. Ouch. Right, you're possibly fine. Okay. Weather. Didn't say anything about the freaking bear.
There's a lot of freaking cactuses in here.
Some strange man in your back.
Oh, would have been good for YouTube.
No, I'm not calling you up here for this. I'm getting your dirty paws all over the bed. Hey, and you're dripping on me. Go lay down.
Hey everybody, this is Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads, and today we're going to the Superstition Mountains and go explore and see what we can find. We've got Rusty, Riley, and our trusty camera person behind the camera, Mrs. Whiskey 7.